So I just want to take you through how I set up this competitions and matches section. So we're on the home page at the moment. So if I just hover over this one here, we've got men's golf and ladies golf. You can always find out where these are. So if I just click on men's golf, that takes me to the men's golf category. I've added 2 pages here, and if you need to find out where that is in admin, you can always find that at the top here in the URL. So here I've got competitions, matches, that's the section, and men's golf, that's the category. So in the back end, then we can just find the, just go to the content tab here, scroll down. So here we've got competition matches. If I just click on that section link there, then that will take you to the 2 categories that we've set up. And here you have the 2 pages which are shown there. Okay. If I click on this first item here, this takes you to the page which I've set up in Men's Golf 2. So I've just added some text and an image. And at the bottom, the system automatically pulls in any other pages which we set up here. Okay, so if I go to the ladies golf category, see it, there's nothing in there because we haven't created anything yet. So we could just do something there. So again, go back to the content area, and under ladies golf, click on the page item to create a new page, and we'll just call this ladies test 1, and just make sure we enable the page so it shows on the front end. Scroll down, it's going to grab some content here from the men's one here. I'll just grab that, and so we can give it a page content. And if I just go ahead and create that page, go back to content, competitions and matches. So we now have a new page. We know it's working because we have the thumbs up sign here. So if I go back to the website and just click on ladies golf, then we have this new item which pulled in there. So this first item here, all it has is a title. You can't click on it. There's some content here. So it's just this static item. If you want that to actually link to something, then you would need to add something to the content area. So we'll go back to that page and we'll edit that. And we can, remember, you don't need to actually use a template for these. You can just click on that, delete it, or just take just an image, and I'll just paste in that text in there. I'll paste that in again so we have some content. And if I just go ahead and update and refresh, then we now have a clickable title and this read more button here. So if I click on the read more, then this takes you to the ladies test page 1 page which we set up, and it has the content here in the middle. Okay, if I just go ahead and create a second page, again we're finding the competitions and matches section, scroll down to ladies golf, click on new page, and we'll just call this ladies test 2, enable the page. We'll give it a shorter introduction, so just so we know we're separating something here. Paste that content in there, scroll down, we can choose a thumbnail image, so I just go browse upload. Gives you the option to upload something from your machine, or you could just go and find something that you have in one of the folders on the system. So I go to images, home, and we have this, well, we've got this only one image in there, we can choose that. And if we want, we can choose a file, browse upload, have everything in documents, and we'll just choose this this one that we have here. It's quite a short one. Just go ahead and create. Go back to our website, refresh. So we now have, under the ladies test 1, we have a second page, ladies test 2. And if I go to the ladies golf, then we've got those 2 items in there. The last item will always show up first, but you can reorder those in the back end. So we have our thumbnail image. We now have a PDF icon there, so someone knows that it's linking to something. If I click on the PDF, that will open the PDF up in the new browser window. If I go to read more, then that will go to the page, and we also have the attachment name. That's why it's always a good idea to maybe name your attachment something a little bit more user-friendly, rather than 201 blah blah blah. And so you can choose to click on this to open up the attachment, or you have the content which we've added here. Okay, I'll just show you something else we can do just using that page. So go to content and competition matches, ladies test 2, and I'll just make a little bit more content here. So just copy this paragraph, press enter, and here. Okay, there's a few tools that you have up here so you can do stuff with. So if I just hover over this, I can make things bold, I can make things italic, you can underline things. If I go to format, underline, or you can do the whole lot. So you can make it bold, italic, and underline. Okay, so a few things you can do there. Images are quite simple to add. If I just click on the beginning of this paragraph here, just go to the image icon here. We need to find a source, so we can click on the source finder here. Again, you can upload something from your local machine, or we can just go ahead and choose an image. We'll just choose the something else in here. Don't really have many. There's one here. Okay, we choose that one. It's a bit different. Just one thing, when you're adding images, it's always a good idea to give it a description. So we can just put, I don't know, ladies tee off or whatever. Very important to choose a class. If you don't choose a class, then the image won't really work very well. So we can have left align, right align, full width. I wouldn't worry about this one at the moment. So we just choose image left align, click on OK, and that will align that image nicely to the left. And that will also work on mobile. Just show you one more thing we can do here, which might be useful to you. If I just press enter, just to find a new line, and this time we'll use a template. So insert template, and from the drop down, I'll choose a table. So we can have a table or a table with a header row. We'll just choose this one here. Click on OK, and you have a table. Okay, so it might be quite useful to add something, I don't know, competition, date, and we can just do, men's scratch. We can do ladies scratch. Junior scratch, and we can just put May, June, July, and just go ahead and update. Go back to live website, and so we now have our image there, text line to the right. We have our different stuff we've done in there. and here have a nice looking table which works quite well. To edit the tables, I'm not sure if I showed this before, I'll just show you now while I'm here. Let's go back to that page. So again, we're going to content and competitions and matches. And we're finding this ladies test 2 page. Click on the icon there. And so if you just click anywhere, depends where you want to add. If you want a new row between ladies and juniors, I can just click on the ladies scratch row and right click. And we can choose row, insert row after, and we can just set senior scratch, and we'll put April in there. And if you want to add another column for the price, then click anywhere inside here. We go to column, insert column after, and we can just put price, and we'll just put 50, 60, 30. Juniors, we'll put free because they don't have any money, and update, and there you go. So that's our table updated. Okay, so I hope that's helped you, and anything you need, just let me know, and we'll sort it out.